given the graph of f of x equals 3x to the fourth minus 16x cubed plus 18x squared, find the local and global maximum and minimum values if they exist. If we look at this graph, we can see some maximum and minimum values. Let's identify these one at a time. If we look at the origin, it looks like that is a local minimum value because it's the smallest function value nearby, but we have another minimum that goes even further. So we can say that we have a local min of, what is the function value there? It looks like the function value is 0. So a local minimum of 0 at, when does it occur? X equals 0. So that is a local minimum. Our next interesting point looks to be right around here. We have a local maximum there. So we have a local maximum. Now, what is that function value? It's whatever this is. And if we look, it's halfway between 0 and 10. So that is going to be 5. So a local maximum value of 5 at x equals, what is the x value? Well, that is right here, and that's halfway between 0 and 2. So that's going to be at 1. X equals 1. All right. Now, we've got another minimum value down here, and it looks like that is a global minimum value because the function does not get any lower than that. So we have a global or an absolute minimum, same, of, and I can't actually tell what that value is. So I'm going to leave that blank for a moment. Where does it occur? It occurs here. That's halfway between 2 and 4. So that is at x equals 3. And we don't actually know what that value is. It's not clear from the graph. So what I want to do is I want to actually plug in 3 to the function and figure that out. So if we want to evaluate f of 3, that's going to be 3 times 3 to the fourth minus 16 times 3 cubed plus 18 times 3 squared. So 3 to the fourth is 81, and 81 times 3 is 243, minus 3 cubed is 27, and 16 times 27 is 432, plus 18 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 18 is 162. And if we do that math, we end up with negative 27. So our global or absolute minimum is negative 27, and it occurs at x equals 3. If we look for a global maximum, it doesn't exist because the function seems to be increasing in both directions. In fact, we know it is because the end behavior is that of 3x to the fourth, which goes upwards in both directions. So we can also say there is no global maximum or no absolute maximum value.